Hello everybody, welcome again to our channel. This is me, Yangku, and this is my sister, Cess. Say hi, Cess.
Hi.
Today we are going to bake cookie for our snack, and
Cupcake.
we can also sell some so we can have savings for our coin bank. Because I'm gonna buy toy if COVID-19 is gone. So let's go! We're in our kitchen making cookies. So, ingredients for our cookie are now ready. Says, are you ready?
Yes. I'm making. And do. And pretty.
Ingredients.
And boil.
Okay. Half of butter. Half cup granulated sugar. Half cup of light brown sugar. Add 1 egg. Teaspoon of vanilla. Blend them together. Add 1/4 cup of all-purpose
Mababan tayo.
Mother, what is this? Flour. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Combine to the first mixture. Add to the chocolate chips. We're gonna go.
Sugar.
The sugar.
Now,
Oh my gosh.
Then mix it with the using the
Okay. Okay. Whatever.
Says
hi.
Diba? Ang ko diba? Lamang ko lang si
later. She says later.
You are dry ingredients. Mine is wet.
Mang. Ako ang wet, mang. Ano siya? Ako son.
Then after that is the
Egg.
Bababan.
look at Yangku says. Yangku.
Ito naman.
Mix it. I will be back.
Yangku says can mix that one. Look at here says. Says. Mix it properly,
So
says.
I'm back.
Okay, Yangku next.
Give me this. Give me this. Give me. Give me.
Later she says after Yangku. Yangku says na pod Yangku. Yangku says na pod.
Wait.
Hindi ko gusto wait.
Oh, that's bad says ha. Oh. Yangku says na pod ayun ha.
And what's next?
Next is the
Teaspoon of vanilla.
Spoon vanilla.
Where's the teaspoon?
where's the vanilla? That one is vanilla.
Vanilla tata. Vanilla tata.
Where? Should I put it? There?
There it says.
Para di mausik.
Slowly Yangku. Mix properly says. Go ahead says. Okay.
Teaspoon
Then,
of
One
Blend
and one
them
fourth.
together.
1 and 1/4.
cup of all-purpose
This
flour.
that is the all-purpose flour. And
What?
then 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, the green one. It's already ready.
Huh?
Yes, mix it. You get that one kay Angko.
And next
Okay,
is
next is
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Yes, that's the baking soda. No, that's not baking soda. That's salt. Baking soda is here. 1/2 teaspoon also of baking soda.
This one.
No, the blue one.
Pinang scramble din.
Oh, it's alright.
Mama, I'm done.
Baking soda, then salt. Okay, combine them together. Mix it well, Yangku. This is supposed to be yours, Cess.
I wanted that.
Smile, Cess. Will that be a yummy cookie?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. This is our making.
Oh. Because it's Yangku and Cess who make this one. Or bake it.
Done. Next. What's
Okay,
next?
What's next, Cess? There, Yangku. There, Yangku, faster. Then we have the chocolate chip.
Can you have it?
Later. Cess can mix the chocolate chip.
What?
This is a chocolate chip. Yangku. That is, what is that, Yangku?
Chocolate chips.
Okay, let's Cess mix it.
Gusto ba yan?
That's enough, Cess. Yang, preheat the oven, Yang.
That's better.
Ma, is the stuff this the soda?
Butol yan.
Just like that. You make chocolate.